flights to Las Vegas. This is a cruise ship flight by one of the alliance partners, American Airlines, Iberia, Finnair and Aer Lingus. To help us get your way as quickly as possible, please ensure your hand baggage is safely put away. All of your smaller bags that have been tagged with the yellow label must be placed underneath the seat in front of you, and your larger bags placed securely into the overhead lockers. If you are sitting in front row seats, an emergency exit row, or in our first or comfortable cabins, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. But your hand baggage is safely stowed, please make yourselves comfortable and keep the aisle clear for all our remaining customers to board. Thank you.
Captain speaking, my name is Martin Osborne. On behalf of all the crew, can extend a very warm welcome to you all now as you settle into your seats on board this British Airways orbit. Boeing 747, in just a moment or two, will be pushing back off the gate here, starting our engines and beginning our long journey to Las Vegas in Nevada. Expecting a flight time of 10 hours and 22 minutes. You see us arriving actually at around about 7:30 local time. Latest weather forecast we have for you, which you've probably seen in the news. Nice sunny skies, temperature in the, well, probably just getting a little bit cooler by then, in the mid to high 20 degrees centigrade. But more information about that later. We've got a fine crew on board today. They'll be doing all they can to make you feel as comfortable and relaxed as possible. Assisting me in the flight deck, Senior First Officer Simon Whitehouse, and also Senior First Officer Mark McMahon. And then just to finish the instructions, leading the team in cabin is lovely Aisha Jones. And one of Aisha's first tasks as we taxi out to the runway is to initiate the usual briefing regarding safety. We do put a lot of importance on this. I hope you'll do the same and just give it your fullest attention for the few minutes that that's running. A couple of further points regarding safety. It is a long flight. It's always possible to encounter a few unexpected bumpy moments. So we do suggest any time you are seated, always a good idea to keep your safety belts fastened. And additional to that, should you be on your feet at any time, perhaps in the toilet, and the seatbelt sign should come on, just ask you please to return to your seat as quickly as possible and fasten said safety belt. Well, that's just about enough from me for the minute. Just waiting for the last of the paperwork, waiting for the refueling man to bring his fingers up for us to put in our tech list. A couple of doors and cargo still to be loaded, sadly we're in a couple of minutes late, so I have to break that up perhaps once we get going.
Very good afternoon and a very welcome on board this British Airways flight bound for Las Vegas with a flight time to approximately 10 hours and 20 minutes. My name is Sasha and it's my pleasure to be a customer service manager on board this flight today. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and our more frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care of opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. If you are seated is our first uncoupled cabin. Today, please take care that your personal electronic device does not get lost beneath your seat. If it does, please do not hold the seat and let one of us know. And very shortly, we will be coming to the cabin with customs forms for the United States. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy this flight with us today. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas. The local time here is 8:15 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and can fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Remember, the smoking is not allowed until you reach the designated area. All of us here at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome our customers who live here in Vegas and wish those of you visiting a very enjoyable stay. If you are travelling on further, we wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. It's been our pleasure to serve you on today's flight and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening.